Okay, we are going to do additional mathematics 606 2022 February March 25 paper is with calculator. Okay, so let's go for the first question. First question, the diagram shows a circle with center O and radius 5 centimeter. The point A lies on this circle and the point B such that the line AB is a tangent of the circle. OB has length 13 centimeters. So what are the stuff is given? Here radius is 5, so OA is going to be 5. Next, OB has the length of 13. Okay, so the first question, find the angle of AOB. AOB. So this angle we need to find. The answer we have to give us a radian. So I just draw the triangle separate here. Okay, so I draw the triangle. So this one I'll take as a because the radius and the tangent makes 90 degree. So I'll take the 90 degree here. So the O will be here, the B will be here. I'll take. So we need to find angle AOB. So that means this angle we need to find out. So OB is 13 and OA equal to 5. That all the given things. Okay, so how to find? Yeah, I'll use Sakato. Okay, so here depend to this angle, so we have adjacent and hypotenuse. So adjacent and hypotenuse going to involve in cos. So cos angle AOB equal to 5 over 13 because adjacent over opposite. So angle AOB equal to cos inverse of 5 over 13, which is 67.38. See, this is in the degree. Okay, so we need to change into radian. So you can use the calculator mode, you can change the radian, or else if you want to change into radian, so this is a given degree, so just multiply by a 5 over 180. So this is the way we need to change degree to radian. So the answer is going to be 1.178. So we always leave the answer as a three significant figure. So I'll leave the answer as 1.18. So the answer is going to be 1.18 radian, which is angle AOB. Okay, so next question. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, the shaded region, I'll erase this. Okay, the shaded region going to be yeah, I'll draw the figure. So here there is a curve and here, that's it. Okay, we need to find only the perimeter. So yeah, this is going to be A, B, and this one will take like a O dash because we don't have the place, or we can take as a C. Or we'll write as a C. Okay, so AB, the length is already been AB. We are going to find from here. So it's a right angle triangle. From here, how to find AB? We are using Pythagoras, which is AB square equal to 13 square minus 5 square. So AB is going to be square root of 13 square minus 5 square, which is going to be 12. So AB, we got the AB. Next CB. See, CB is very simple because the radius, see here to here is 5, because here is 5, here also must be 5. So 13, the entire length is 13. 13 minus 5 going to be 8. So CB going to be 8. Now we need to find only this arc length. So arc length formula we know that is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So we found already the angle here, which is, okay, I didn't write the radian answer. So yeah, the radian answer I erased. The radian answer I'll write before here. The answer before this is the radian, so degree answer I erased. So 67.38 degree. Even we can use the radian here, pi by 1. We can change the formulas in radian also. So now right now I'll do with a degree. So 67.38 over 360 times 2 into pi into the radius is going to be 5 here, which is you'll get the answer 5.88. Okay, so I got this length. This length is going to be 5.88. Now I can find the perimeter. So the perimeter is equal to, so 12 plus 8 plus 5.88, which is going to be 2025.88. Okay, this is the final answer for this second question. Okay, let's go for the next one. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, this region, here we need to find the area. Okay, for only shaded region we need to find out. So first we need to find area of the triangle minus area of the sector. So we'll get the answer. So I'll write area of shaded region equal to area of triangle minus area of sector. Okay, so area of a triangle half into, because area is right angle triangle here. So here is a right angle, so base is going to be AB and the height is going to be 5. So AB is, we already found, which is 12. 12 times 5. So base is 12 and the height is going to be 5 minus area of the sector, which is theta. Already we did it. Theta, the angle is 67.38. 67.38 by 360 into pi r square, pi into pi square, which is here when we simplify we'll get a 30 minus we'll get 14.7 here. So the final answer going to be 15.3. This is area of shaded region. Okay, so this is the answer for the third for C part. Okay, let's go for next question 2. Find the x coordinate of the stationary point on the curve. So as we know, this one first we need to expand, so we'll go for the expansion. Y equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus 2x into, so here x plus 2 times x plus 2, when we multiply we'll get x square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, next again I will expand, which is 3 times everything, so 3x square plus 12x plus 12. Then I'll multiply with a negative 2x with everything, so negative 2x cube, negative 8x square, and negative 8x. So now 1 by 2 of, I'll simplify, so minus 2x cube and x square down, 8x square minus 5x square, which is minus 5x square. Next x term, 12x minus 8x, which is 4x. Then the constant term going to be 12 plus 12. Okay, so next I'll take this yeah, the 1 by 2 inside, which is going to be, when I multiplied 1 by 2 with everything, every term, so it's negative x cube minus 5 by 2x square, this is 5, plus 2x plus 6. Okay, so I got the equation. Now I multiplied everything. Okay, so This is the expanded equation. Next, I need to find the stationary point, the turning points. I need to find only the x coordinates enough. Okay, turning point, as we know, the gradient going to be 0, because we need to find dy by dx. So when I differentiate this equation, I'll get minus 3x square, then minus 2 into 5 by 2x plus 2, which is this 2 got cancelled. So the answer is minus 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Okay, so the turning point dy by dx equal to 0. Dy by dx, actually the turning point dy by dx equal to 0. So I need to substitute here 0 equal to minus 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Okay, so I'll make it, the first term is positive, so I'll multiply entire equation by a negative. So 0 equal to 3x square plus 5x negative 2. Okay, now I'll solve this equation. I'm using quadratic formula. Okay, I'm using quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal to, okay, minus, or I'll use this. Okay, minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square minus c. If without quadratic also we can solve. This is like factorized only, so it'll be easy to find out. So I'll use quadratic here, so which is minus b, so 5 square minus 4 times 1, sorry, a is 3 times the c is going to be negative 2, which go over 2a, which is minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25, 4 times 2 12, 12 times 2 24 plus 24 over 2a. 2 times the a, I didn't substitute. A is going to be 3, a is going to be 3, a is going to be 3. Okay, so x equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 49 over 6. So x equal to minus 5 plus or minus 7 by 6. So x equal to minus 5 plus 7 by 6, and x equal to minus 5 minus 7 by 6. So which is 1 by 6 and, oh sorry, 2 by 6 and negative 12 by 6. So 1 is another x. Okay, so 1x is going to be 1 by 3, another x going to be negative 2. That's the final answer when we use quadratic formula. Even the normal factorize we can do here. Multiply time we have to get negative 6, addition time we have to get negative 5. Okay, so it's going to be 3x square. No, the factors are 6 and negative 1. So plus 6x negative x minus 2. So when I'll take 3x outside, that is x plus 2. So x plus 2 here. So I'll put negative 1. So 3x minus 1 and x plus 2 equal to 0. The entire thing equal to 0, entire thing equal to 0. So first term equal to 0, which is 3x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1 by 3. And next one, x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to negative 2. So we got the same answer here as well. Okay, so you have to use any one of the method. So find out. So our question says only find out the x coordinate. So we got the x coordinate. We got two coordinates. One is 1 by 3 and one is negative 2. Okay, on the axis of sketch the graph, the same thing, the same equation before what we done. So we need to find the we need to sketch the graph. Well, after expanding, we got the equation is negative x cube minus 5 by 2 x square plus 2x plus 6. That is the final answer. So first I'm going to be negative, we'll get the negative graph. So negative The graph is going to be like this, and second, and because cubic graph, yeah, this is the sample graph. So let's go here. Okay, here, yeah, we got two turning points, which is x equal to, the one is 1 by 3, another one is uh, x is negative 2. So we are going to find the y coordinates now when x equal to 1 by 3. So we need to apply the given equation. So this equation I'll apply here. So B, C, here or here, anywhere you can apply. So y equal to, say, 1 by 3. When I apply 1 by 3, yeah, 1 by 2 of 3 minus 2 into 1 by 3 into x plus, sorry, x equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 2 whole square. So we'll get 1 by 2 into, then I take LCM, is 9 minus 2, 7 by 3, and here this is 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 square. When you use calculator, you will get an answer 6.35. Okay, the first coordinate I got, which is first turning point, x equal to 1 by 3, x equal to 1 by 3, and y equal to 6.35. Okay, 1 by 3, when we change to decimal, we'll get 0.3. So we can write either 0.3 or 1 by 3, it's not a matter. Okay, next I'll go for x equal to negative 2. I'll put negative 2, x equal to, so another, okay, so the given equation is going to be y equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus 2 into negative 2, here negative 2 plus 2 whole cube as whole square. So this is going to be 0, the entire thing going to be 0, so y equal to 0. So second coordinate going to be negative 2 comma 0. Okay, so I'll erase this part here. I got two turning points. Now I need to find the intercept points. So here one turning point going to be 0 0.3 comma 6.35, 0 0.3 approximate here, and 6.35. So approximate I'll take here. One point is going to be here. Now another point, negative 2 comma 0, approximate here. Okay, so yeah, so intercept point, when we calculate, so intercept point, so x equal to 0. So when you put x equal to 0, the given equation, so what we get, y equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus, yeah, just 3 and 2 square, which is equal to 2 to 6 we'll get. So y intercept is going to be 6. So 6.35, yeah, approximate is 6.4. Okay, so 6 is the y intercept point. Okay, so let's now return the graph, because the graph I said is coming from down, then it's a turning point, then turning point here is given because it's negative graph. So I'll take now graph. The graph is going to be the turning point here, then it's going with y intercept. Okay, then it will turn here. Okay, so this is going to be the graph here. So this point going to be negative 2 comma 0. This point going to be 0 0.3 comma 6.4. Okay, so find the values. Okay, which the equation y equal the equation equal to k. So as you know, y equal to k, they are saying where we need to draw lines so that we'll get three real and distinct root, three different roots. Okay, so it happens, see, we'll find the range here, the y, because the range y equal to, so y here is a 0, the other point is 0 0.35. So we'll write 0 less than x here is not x, the k, y. So k less than or equal to 6.35. Okay, so this is the turning point y-axis, this is the turning point of y-axis. So this is the range of the value of k. Okay, so the next question going to be question 3. Solve this equation. Solve the equation. Yeah, here is a substitution, a direct way we cannot calculate. So I'll take let y equal to, I'll write let y equal to x power 3 over 5. Okay, so now I substitute the given equation. What will happen? 6y plus 1 uh, equal to 12 over y. Next, I'll multiply this y to left side. So 6y square plus y equal to 12. So 6y square plus y minus 12 equal to 0. Here I need to solve this quadratic. I'm going to use quadratic equation. So y equal to minus b. So minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square. So b square going to be 1 square minus 4 into 6 into negative 12 over 2 times 6. So when you use calculator, you'll get two answers. One is what we get. One answer is going to be yeah. Yeah, one answer going to be 4 by 3, another answer going to be minus 3 by 2. Okay, so let's go for our solution now. So we got two value. So y we got, so y answer, y equal to x power 3 power 5. So y equal to x 3 over 5. That is the thing we took as let. Okay, so yeah, now we got the y value. So I'll take the first value. Okay, and we both answers, it will work. Okay, first value I'll take y equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3 equal to x power 3 over 5. So how I'll remove this 3 over 5. So I need to multiply exponent 5 over 3 both the side. So 4 by 3 power 5 by 3 equal to x, because I removed this 3 over 5. So when we calculator, so we'll get the answer 1.63. 1.63 equal to x. That is the final answer. X equal to final answer. We need to solve x equal to 1.63. Okay, so let's go for our next question 4. A team of 10 players is to be chosen from 15 players. Okay, there is no restriction. So 15, 10. The formulas given for you. The formula page is going to be, yeah, n factorial by n minus r into r factorial. So we go for the same formula. So we write here 15 factorial by 10 factorial into 15 minus 10 factorial, which is, here we'll write like a 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, and we'll write 10 factorial. We no need to write the entire thing, because down there is one 10 factorial. We'll cancel that. 5 factorial, 10 factorial, 20 factorial cancel. So the numerator will be same, the denominator. Okay, I'll write 15 times, 14 times, 13 times, 12 times, 11 over 5 factorial. When we expand, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. So the answer going to be 3003. So no need to expand. In your calculator you can use the proper function. Okay, so the answer is 3003 ways are there. Okay, next question. The 15 players include 3 sisters who must be not separated. Yeah, 3 sisters, because we are changing the group. Okay, so the three sisters always is together. We cannot separate three sisters. Find the number of different teams that can be chosen. Okay, there are 15 players. Okay, the three always is together. Three sisters are together. So the remaining will be 12 players. Okay, also here the three are will take us a one unit, so remaining we need to choose like a 10 players. That's a question. 10 players. Now no need to place 10. Now we need to use only 7 players, because the 8th, 9th, 10th is going to be a sister, like a sisters together. So that will consider as a one unit. Okay, so we need to choose only 7 players. So out of 12 players we need to use 7 players. That's it. So here 12, 7, 12 is 7, which is the same formula, 12 factorial by 7 factorial into 12 minus 12 minus 7 factorial, which is the same expansion. We'll get the answer as 792. So that is the answer for here. Okay, so next, a 6-digit number is to be formed using the digits. Okay, 0 to 9. The 6-digit number cannot be start with 0. The first number can't be 0, and all 6 number must be different, so the numbers cannot be repeat. So find how many digit numbers can be formed. The 6-digit even number, the last digit should be even. So there are 6 numbers. Okay, I'll write 6-digit number. This is first digit and second digit, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is not number, this is a digit. Okay, so 6-digit number. Now the last digit, the chances are 0, uh, what 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So only these chances for the last digit, because of this is even. Okay, next I'll go for the first digit. The first digit 0 cannot be, because remaining the chance is going to be here. Already we choose the last digit for one unit. So first digit 0 cannot be first unit. So other two numbers cannot be, because already we chose last digit as a even. The first digit is a 0. So rest there are 8 numbers, because total 9 possibles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 possibles. Okay, so here last digit already we chose 1. The first digit cannot be 0. Then 2 digit is gone. So remaining 8 digit are there in the first digit. Now second digit. Second digit, the last digit already be chosen. The first digit already be chosen. So there are 8 possibles. So 3 numbers already is gone. The seventh digit going to be 7 possibles. This one 6 possibles, and this one for 5 possibles. Okay, so the total numbers, total 6-digit number. Okay, numbers. So just we need to multiply base of, so we write base of it first digit, because first digit and the last digit having the condition, the rest of the numbers having no condition. So times, so the middle numbers, base of it, base of peak, like 2-digit to like fifth digits. Okay, times base of last digit, so the first digit we said like a 8 chances, second digit also having 8 chances, next digit 7, next digit 6, next digit 5. Okay, yeah, this all the chance. Last digit having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So last digit having 5 chances as well. So here is a 5. So when we multiply, we'll get 6, 7, 2, 0, 0 numbers. We can 6-digit numbers we can form. Yeah. So yeah, remaining question we'll see in the next video. Thank you. Bye.